Hi there guys, another day in paradise, is it? I'm really happy about the tailgate yesterday. It needs to be adjusted and there's some small things that I need to look at, and then I think it's time to start to sand the car. There's a lot of sanding that needs to be done, so I think today will mainly be focused on sanding. I have one question, if anyone can help me. I think this dent here, I think I need to use the hammer on the inside. I can get to that one. This one here is it's a different story. I can't find a way how to get to it. I can't go through here. I can't go through there. I can't go from the boot. So if anyone has any idea how to get to that point in the car, please let me know, because as where I am now, I can't see it. So please put in your comments any idea is good. I need help. Well, it's all about sanding now. I've been sanding this piece here, as you can see, and I'm about to sand the boot and here. And someone has been very aggressive with the Bondo to fix the side panel. This the dent we know. I haven't seen any damages yet here, so I don't know why they have used that much. But there's a lot of sanding, tedious and quite boring. So on my way to leave for the day. This damage here makes me wonder what, luckily I have the donor car, but as you can see, something has really damaged the car. And you have this one, so I don't know if the best is to cut it here and cut it there and then change all this. This will never be easy it will never be fixable. What do you think? Something to sleep on. See you tomorrow. Take care. Hello there. Another day in the dungeons. The missions I'm doing now is that we're sanding a lot. I'm trying to sand on the carrossery to make sure that I can see all the damages and what needs to be welded, and all the different details that I need to consider. I'm going to show you what I've done so far regarding the sanding, and I hope you join me through this sanding process. So I've sanded the left back wing. As you can see, there's some severe damages. I don't know what has happened here, but maybe I mentioned it before. My idea is to sand it down to I think this is the original primer, and I'm not going to sand that off. I'm going to keep that because I think it's quite cool to keep the original where I can keep it. If you don't agree with me, please comment and give me the arguments why I should take it off down to bare metal. So I've done that. I'm starting here. This here has, I think, been gold painted at some point in his lifetime. The paint work on this one is quite tough. It takes a lot of sandpaper to get off. I still have a big patch here of the gray, it clogs up the sandpaper, so I don't know what the issue can be. We've done this part here, and I'm going to continue today just sanding. I think that's the key next step for me, just to do as much sanding as possible to reveal like small things. Like here you have a small, I don't know what it is, if it's a dent or scratch or something has happened here. It's a small piece, but I'm not sure if I can plaster that one with tin or if I need to change it. I hope I don't need to change that. Well, we'll see. Please join me. See you. So to sand the edges here, I need to take off the gas lid. I have the keys here. So I thought, why don't you follow me and see if I can open this? See if I can use the lights so I don't get shadows. Goes down. Stone hard. No, that doesn't work. No. Something sounded there. What was that? It opened up a little bit. Let's take some. Let's take some lubricant spray. Use my head torch so we get better lighting. So. Something gave, all of a sudden you can move it a little bit. That doesn't work. The starting key, let's go on the other side. Press it. No. Oh, there it went. Voila! Okay, so I got a screwdriver, so let's open the lid and see. The rumor said that the gas tanks were renovated. I don't know if you can see it, but it doesn't look renovated if you look down. I'm going to take the opportunity to spray up everything and clean it up. And try to use the brush. It seems like there's a lot of dirt on the side of the walls. Paper. So it's cleaner, still needs some more clean. A lot of you probably would say that take the cap off and clean it off, but my idea is that the less we take off, the less we will lose screws. So I'm trying to do it fixed, clean it up, come again, clean it again, come again, clean it again. But I hope you can see now, if I open this one here, clearly it doesn't look like the tanks have been renovated. Or what do you think? I think the rust is quite severe, so I think we have to plan to take the tanks off and inspect them. Another thing on the list. Okay, I'm sanding the edges now. I'm trying to get them. It should be round, but it's at the same time square. That's what I'm aiming for, if you understand what I mean. The problem I have is that it clogs up. So I think the gray paint has been painted, either it's low quality paint or there's something, because when I sand certain areas it clogs up immediately, like on the tailgate it clogs up, but on the side here on the door it didn't clog up as much. Of course it clogs up, but this is like, you know, I don't know, any ideas what it can be, why it clogs up this way? So now here we are, sanded the edges, looks quite okay. Need to come back a little bit on that side, but I will do that later. Maybe when I paint I will take off the lid just to make, so I can paint down here as well. Good morning, we're back here in the dungeons. Today I have help from my brother, actually my twin brother, Jan. Our parents were imaginative enough to call us Johan and Jan, but hey, that's the way it goes. So he's helping us now, helping me, and he has already started to sand the doors, as you can see. Well, the angle is hard, but he has a good grinder, and well, after his mask, mask is off, you will see how he looks later on today. So we came half the roof, the front door and the back door is almost done, and the tailgate is done. So that made a massive step towards completion. So Janne, here is he without the mask. Hey! Thank you very much. Very, very much evaluated. So that's for today. Yeah. Take care. See you.
See ya.